Okay, so instead of opening up the pin collection boxes, I just took out the packs ahead of time. I'm trying to save some time. I'm trying to make the videos kind of go faster paced, so I don't have to insert music every time. It takes forever for the video to upload for some reason when you have to put music in there. It just takes like an hour for it to finish the video. Oh man, it's a pain. So I'm gonna try to make this more interesting without music. Hard to do. Anyways, we are trying to get that secret rare Mewtwo. And if I don't get anything from these packs, I'm gonna tap into these pin collections I found, the Zorak. They're pretty cool, man. I want to save them, but opening them is, I mean, it's a good time, but I don't know. If I get what I'm looking for, there's no point of opening it up, right? But we'll see. Goldfish. Hoopa. That's a bad start. Well, we got, like, what, 18 more packs to go. Reverse Hollow Energy card. Can't go wrong with that. There might actually be music in this. I can't think of anything to talk about between this. I'm just so interested in opening it. Reverse Hollow, Scrafty, and Zekrom. Imagine if we don't pull anything. Now that would be a ripoff. I feel like these cases would have higher pull rates because, you know, they're 30 bucks for like 5 packs. There. Reverse Hollow Ekans and Entei GX. Not the secret rare Mewtwo, but it is a sign that we can get stuff. That's a Reverse Hollow Zora and holographic Manaphy. Never seen that one before. Yeah, if anybody wants to see something opened, just let me know. I'll try to get it. I'm sure people want to see the new set be opened. That comes out in like 2 weeks or something like that, and I don't like putting money in pre-orders because sometimes they're not guaranteed. I'd rather wait for it to come out. Reverse Hollow and Zekrom. So far, these are terrible rates, pull rates. These are not... You definitely want to be pulling more often than this. I would open those Hidden Fates trainer boxes, but I don't know. They're like $250 a box right now. I really wouldn't open them unless I had enough support to open them. Otherwise, I'm opening them for nothing. Energy Retrieval and Marshadow. Yeah, you don't want to open expensive stuff to nobody. That's just a waste. Yeah, I could do it for attention, but I don't really need attention like that. I'm cool with being a nobody. Reverse Hollow Venusaur and, oh, another holographic Manaphy. Very, very repetitive pulls. That is not very good. I do have a couple Hidden Fates pin collections coming here, though. I'll definitely open those, because those aren't too crazy. Reverse Hollow Energy, the same exact one we got before, right? Or maybe it was a Fire, I don't know. Oh, Mewtwo GX. At least there's something. Get a secret rare, baby. Come on. Reverse Holo and Raichu GX. And, oh, Zorak GX. Is that 3 in a row? Wow. The packs are listening. From all. They're so cool to have sealed, though. Oh, upside down. I'm not paying attention. Reverse Holo Energy, that same exact one. Oh, shoot! How many pulls was that in a row? This is good. Right here. This is good. That is lit. There we go. Finally. The pack gods have listened. Can we get another one in a row? I don't know. Reverse Holo and... that was a good streak. I've never had a streak like that before. That super rare one. That is the goal every time, to get the best rarities. Energy retrieval and... nope, nothing. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. What am I saying? Crazy. And Hoopa holographic. Yeah, I like this better when the things are open already. I don't have to waste 2 minutes messing with it. Reverse Holo and oh, Anti GX. There we go. Jeez, what is going on? I'm not gonna say anything. I'll just keep the streak going hopefully. Reverse Holo Ultra Ball and Shining. Wait, actually, this is worth something right here. This is, I think this was like 20 bucks. I don't know. Don't take my word for it. I'm gonna edit the prices in anyways. I'm trying a different thing here. Anything shining is good. I at least know that much. Reverse Holo and Keldo. I don't know. Actually, I kind of like the artwork, even though it's like a unicorn pony thing with a horn, whatever. But yeah, it'll do. It'll do. Reverse Holo and Shaman holographic. Last one. Much better pulls. There's something to watch. Reverse holographic and Marshadow. That's fine. We did pretty good. Maybe I might open more of these. I got a little bit more to go. So